UTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Thursday, this first day of July. My name is Ian Kelly. These are the stories we're following at this hour. The state of Vermont on Wednesday reported 4 new cases of coronavirus. No new cases were reported from Windham County. The state of New Hampshire reported 1 death and 23 new cases of the virus. 1 new case was reported in Cheshire County. The state of Massachusetts on Wednesday reported 1 death, 93 new cases of the virus, with 1 new case reported in Franklin County. A judge has given Vermonters with disabilities using the Homeless Hotel Program a 2-week reprieve to make their case that state changes set for today will unfairly force them out of the program. Vermont Legal Aid this week sued the state over the end of the emergency program set up to help the homeless during the pandemic. Starting today, the program was set to have stricter eligibility requirements, impacting about 700 individuals. The Homeless Hotel Initiative was expanded to a $100 million program during the pandemic to house more people and to stop the spread of the virus. State officials say it is time to scale it back to keep it sustainable. Lawmakers have decided not to recommend requiring that people show proof of a COVID-19 vaccination to enter the Vermont State House in 2022. A week ago, the Legislative Advisory Committee on the State House discussed the possibility of implementing a COVID-19 vaccine passport system. However, the 13-member panel voted 11-0 on Tuesday to recommend only that the legislature strongly recommend that people coming to the building be vaccinated. It would not be mandatory. The State House was closed during the 15-month COVID-19 shutdown, but it is scheduled to reopen to the public July 6th, even as the advisory panel works on its plans for using the building in the 2022 legislative session. New Hampshire shut down its emergency operations and joint information centers in Concord on Wednesday afternoon as the state continues to return to a pre-pandemic posture. Governor Sununu activated the centers in early March of last year to coordinate the state's response to the pandemic. New Hampshire last Friday officially ended its state of emergency. Health officials say now is the time to be on the lookout for ticks and mosquitoes to protect yourself from infectious disease. Natalie Quitt, the state public health veterinarian, said there is a higher prevalence of tick-borne disease in the southern half of Vermont, although it's important to be on the lookout for ticks and mosquitoes no matter where you are. According to Quitt, the populations of ticks and mosquitoes change from year to year, but we do expect to always have them here in Vermont. Wearing clothing that covers more skin can help prevent mosquito bites and ticks. It's also important to check your pets when they come back into the house. WTSA Sports, the Red Sox continue to roll, winning their 6th straight last night as J.D. Martinez and Hunter Renfroe homered in the Sox 6-2 win over Kansas City. Those teams play an afternoon game today, first pitch at 1:10. Jared Walsh of the Angels cracked a grand slam home run in the Angels' 11-8 win over the Yankees. Those teams also play this afternoon. First pitch is at 1:10. For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Thursday, July 1st, my name is Ian Kelly.